guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to talk about some trades that I've placed on TradingView, basically just ghost trades, not actual trades. Some of them I've placed on my FTMO account, but basically just talking through my strategy. So it's completely based on price action and just the psychology of the market. Um, yeah, what I do is I always start on the hour time frame. So when I'm on the hour time frame, say if I'm on the hour time frame here and I see a section where there's a pullback, and say like here I took this trade just as a ghost trade for a 1 to 3 risk reward. When I see it comes down below, like here example, if I see these pullbacks, I then want to look to take a trade around that area. But before I take the trade, I want to work my way up the time frames and figure out whereabouts I am. So then I start on the monthly time frame and I basically just work my way down. So I kind of see we're sort of in this pattern. Yeah, then I go to the weekly and I'm essentially just kind of like matching up just the different patterns and how I see them, if that makes sense. So I kind of see this kind of pattern, and then on the daily, to me it looks like price is slowly turning around like over the months. And then when I saw it break out of here, to me that was like a confirmation that the price is now looking to go further up. And then matching that up with my other on the hour time frame, that's like a lot of confluences to take a buy, because this has come down here taking all that money. That's one confluence. The weekly's come down and it looks like it's turned around, and like here it's taking the money from these people. On the daily it's taking the money from these people, and then yeah, I saw here that's why I took the buy. So it's basically like matching all the time frames up with one another. I'll try and find some other examples. Some of them probably will be a loss. Like here's example again. I saw on the hour time frame there was like a mini pullback here. So then again I go to the higher time frames and I work my way down. Yeah, so I kind of saw this pattern here, kind of like this. When I saw this come down below here and take these people's money, that was a confluence. I want to take a buy, and then matching up with this confluence to take a buy, that's two confluences. And then with that 1 hour confluence, that's like three confluences. And then on the daily, again, I saw this came down below here, taking the money from these people onto the 4 hour, and then again I just saw where it kept pulling back here, and that is essentially what the only thing I do for my strategy now. I keep it as simple as possible. I only just take buys, to be honest. I sometimes do take shorts, but I tend to just take buy positions because that's what I have the most success at. And then what I do, I just set all these alerts for when the hour time frame comes. So like here, if I had an alert here, then I would take a buy. So if I go to like one, like here's example, I had an alert here because I saw like this was just an area I wanted to look to take a buy, but only not before I then did my higher time frame analysis to work my way down. So again, if I just like do this, so this is like the most recent. This came all the way down, took all this money. All these people have been stopped out here, and it's looking to go up. So that's one confluence. Then on the weekly has also come down, taking the money from here, and it's looking to go up that way. So that's two confluences. And then onto the daily, I took some ghost trades around here before, but on the daily you can see this has come down here, taking these people's money. So that's another confluence. It's going up. So it's like I'm trying to follow the flow of the market. And then on 4 hour, I saw on the 4 hour, like here's some trades, like the breakout here you could take a trade. But yeah, on the 4 hour I kind of saw this pattern, and then like the same as before, you could have taken a trade here. But then yeah, like that then matches up. So it's like it's matching up all the patterns with one another to like get in the right direction of the flow of the market, to follow like the whole momentum of where the price is looking to go. And it's the same, it's like vice versa. If you were looking to take shorts, you do the same thing, just like the opposite way. You see it's going up. But for me, I don't know why, my eyes, I just prefer seeing it taking buy positions, and I'm just sticking to my strengths because that's what I have the most success at. And for every trade I do a 3-to-1 risk to reward. So if I lose 3 times, I've lost 3%, and then could be down -3%. But then I could win 2 trades after that, and then be up 3% overall minus that 3% I lost, because yeah, I'll be up 3% overall. And it's just like reminding myself to think in ratios and just follow my strict trading plan and don't mess about, because the minute I start trying to overanalyze the market and thinking that I know things is the minute I start like taking trades I shouldn't. And this is a good example as well on my FTMO account. I took the trade around here, so I think it was around here. I'll just, it was raining really hard. I took a buy around here, and I've been holding the trade all the way up here for a 1 to 3 risk to reward. But I've now moved my stop loss to break even. Yeah, but yeah. Oh no, sorry, 1 second. I've actually placed my stop loss below here, so I'm up like if it hits my stop loss, I'll be up like I would have got like 1.2% on that trade, and then I've got rid of my take profit and just gonna see if it runs up. But yeah, anyway, the reason why I took this trade is because when I was on the 4-hour time frame, I just saw this kind of pattern with my eyes here, for example. And when I saw the price come like down below here, that's when I took the buy position, because again, I then went up the higher time frames and just, this is just what works for me and like in my theory, monthly and the weekly. And then the weekly, I saw this pattern. I do that, and then on the daily, I kind of saw this pattern. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's not always going to be. It's just how I view the market, and it's just again I'm following the momentum of where the market's going, and then even like then I saw this pattern form here. So again, if I was to like, if the market was at this point now and it came below here and I had an alert, I would do a long position here, like this, for a 1 to 3 risk to reward. And that's why again I love the alert so much at the moment. It's because because the more I've traded, the more I realise trading is the most boring thing in the world. It's mostly just waiting around and just like, I feel like your strategy, you should just look at the market and be able to look at it in 10 minutes and find what trade setups you want to take, and then just let the market do what it's going to do. And I think that's what I said on my Discord I have myself. There's a quote, it's like, let the numbers on the screen work for you, because every time I just interfere with myself, it just ruins stuff. So it's just letting the market flow in the direction it wants to go. But yeah, that's what I've been doing lately. But yeah, I'm currently, when this trade on my FTMO account closes around here, I think I'll be up like 3% on my FTMO account. But yeah, I'm just going to keep sticking to my plan and just, yeah, hopefully it goes well. Thank you for watching.